Hi guys, I'm Teho, your instructor, and welcome to J.E.T WorkSite, where we reskill, upskill, and employ. In this video, I will be showing you how to operate the J.E.T WorkSite. So on the left hand side of the screen, we have Home, About, and More button. In some devices, you might see more options than these three options. If you click on the More button, you will find all the courses we offer and our contact details. When scrolling down, the first thing you will see is the worksite's about. This is where we tell you more about our website. You can take your time to read through the about to get an understanding of our website. Okay, then as we keep scrolling down, you will see Data Analyst, which is the first course we offer. You will get more information about that course when you click on the Learn More button, but you will get more explanations on that in the next video. Keep scrolling and you see Businesses in Need of Data Analyst, which is where we get you employed after receiving your course certificate. Instruction videos, that is where you find instructions and guidelines of that specific course. Keep scrolling to find more courses you might be interested in. You might find that the chatbot design layout is different, but it still operates like all the other course sites. Right at the bottom, you will find our contact details and more. Let's jump right back to the top. Click the More button, then the course you are interested in to jump right to it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Catch us again in the next video where we will give detailed instructions on your chosen courses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell button to get notified every time we post new videos, and comment down below which course you'd like us to add. You can find us on Instagram at J.E.T_worksite. I'll leave the link in the description below.